Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the latest video on the Scan Tool Network. Really excited about this video actually, because this is the first video in the world, first video on YouTube, and we're going to be taking a quick look at the iCarsoft CR Max. It's a brand new kit from iCarsoft, and at the time of making this video the tool is not actually for sale yet. We've just been sort of given the tool by iCarsoft to make a few videos with, and just to give you a preview of what to expect with this product. So as I say, we're super excited because we've previously had different generations of iCarsoft tools. We've had first generation, second generation, we've had the 1.0 kits, the 2.0 kits. This is a move to a more professional package that garages, workshops and all around general DIYers can actually use in their own garages and their own vehicles. So it's a tablet-based tool, and it's really quite a sturdy tool. You can see the size of it just by looking at my hands here. On the back of it we've got, as I say, these numbers, they won't mean much because this is just a tool which won't be for sale, but it's got a nice stand there, and it's got items, sort of cutouts here, so you can put your hands in and you can use it like that. So anyway, we've got icons on the screen here, and what we're really going to be looking at, we'll take a quick look at them all. I don't profess to know what they all mean as yet, because this is the first time I'm actually using the tool as well. So we've got in a Porsche Cayenne, we've got two faults on here, and we're just going to do a quick test of the tool just to make sure it can do the basics, and then we'll have a look at the service icon just to look at the additional features as well. And I'll try and explain what the difference is between this and the 2.0 kits and the CR Pro, etc. But I will be making more detailed videos on those as well. Alright, so let's have a look at the Diagnostics menu first of all, and this is where you will find your specific vehicle in order to hook up to the tool and diagnose a fault. So we're going to click on to Porsche. Initializing, please wait. So we've never actually tested it before. As I say, everything that we're doing right here, we're doing it for the first time. So this might ultimately end up being faster in the real world once it's produced onto the market. So we'll click on to Cayenne, click on to Control Unit, and we're going to select, I don't know why it says unknown here, but we're going to select the engine, and we'll click on to read fault code. So these are the correct fault codes that we did expect to see. If we go back, go to clear fault memory, click OK, the check engine light is gone, so it's done that really easily. And then what else have we got? The airbag, AB, read fault code. That's exactly what we wanted to see or expected to see. Clear fault memory, keep an eye on the airbag light. That's gone as well. So it's past the basics with flying colours. Okay, it was module information as well there actually. So if you need to change the units or the module, it gives you the part numbers and things like that, which is quite handy. Okay, so let's have a look at the vehicle coverage. Sorry, the manufacturer coverage. So if we click on all of them, you can choose the American. So we've got Ford, General Motors, Jeep, Chrysler, European, Alfa Romeo, Audi, BMW, Citroen, Dacia, Fiat, Jaguar, Lancia, Land Rover, Mercedes, Mini, Opel, Peugeot, that's Vauxhall, sorry, Porsche, Renault, Saab, Seat, Skoda, Smart, Sprinter, Volvo, VW. Asia, we've got Infiniti, Isuzu, Kia, Lexus, Mazda, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Sion, Subaru, Suzuki and Toyota. Okay, so that is what you'll get from the Diagnostics. That's where you go in, you find your vehicle, you find a fault, reset the fault. You know, no doubt you'll be able to get live data as well. I'm going to go and see if I can get some live data from this car actually. I would imagine it will support live data. Okay, so just select my vehicle, control unit, and we'll go engine, view data. So these are the different types of data you can find. Start, stop, back. I guess you can record the data as well. You can go temperatures, so you can get temperatures from all of your different EGTs, engine oil temperature, fuel temperature, etc. What else have we got? Oil pressure, boost pressure, all handy stuff to know. DPF, so that is pretty good. Okay, enough of the live data. We'll go into the service menu now and we'll have a look to see what functions are covered by that. Oh, selected something incorrectly. Right, so we'll go back and then we'll go to the service menu. So these are kind of like the special functions that the tool will cover. So we've got ABS bleeding, oil reset, electronic parking brake, throttle calibration, injector coding, steering angle sensor calibration, battery registration, diesel particulate filter regeneration, DPF, TPMS, air suspension calibration, I would imagine, headlamp calibration, body stability, engine control, transmission, engine idle, miscellaneous. I'm not sure why that Mini and BMW will be there. I suspect it won't always be there. But these are the type of things you can expect. So I think at the minute, this particular version of the tool only has certain features available for certain cars because they're still working on the software. But by the time this comes out and is available for the wider world to buy, then it will have a lot more vehicles on for you to select. But that's in a nutshell the main two icons of the tool. Updates, settings for the kit, remote desk. I think you're going to get remote help and support for this tool. You've got 2 remote desk and support, fault code lookups, about, quick link. I think that's if you need you'll need access to the internet for that. But there it is. That's just a really quick video showing you the first look at the iCarsoft CR Max. I suspect once the full software is loaded on here, you're going to get a really good professional package. That is the next step up from the CR Pro, CR Plus kits and the 2.0 kit. It's certainly a level above those because you've got a lot more special functions on there as well. So yeah, as I say, I can't link you to this product unfortunately at the minute because it's not for sale anywhere, but once it comes out for sale, I will update this video and I will put the link in the description below this video. So maybe keep checking the description of this video, and once it is for sale, as I say, I will put the link in there below. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you're probably not excited about this as we are, but we love to get our hands on new tools and show you them and be the first to do that if possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.